We are bringing in some quality of life improvements in all these workflow for our users using contextual text generation. Let's see how it works. Awesome. So currently where we are in is basically the feedback feed, right? And what I can do is I'll just quickly jump on to Slack. Over here, there's a dedicated channel where this is like one of the messages that I can just type in, right? As soon as I just push this feedback over here, Olvy will automatically fetch this data. Now, one of the things that we're bringing in is like once the feedback is in, for example, this feedback over here, right now it automatically sort of generated a title for this, right? So the whole idea is that now you don't really need to specify what is the title of this feedback and things like that. Another thing that we are bringing in is so let's say this is the feedback. What I want to do is I would love to reply to this user. So right from here, I can just quickly send a reply. I can just basically use some of these pills over here, which can help me to look at the feedback and based on that, auto generate some of these messages for me. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly say thank you, and it will look into the feedback that is given and accordingly come up with a decent sort of message to tell the user, right? So this way you don't really need to write it down and things like that. Olvy will automatically help you generate text messages based on the feedback that the user has given. So right from here, I can just quickly go send. So that way now you can basically send update or a personal message to these user. So now if we go and look at this on Crisp, right over here, this message has been gone. So that way you don't really need to jump between different sources of feedback that you're getting the feedback from. Rather than that, you can just go and reply to each of these users right from Olvy itself. So this is like the third update that we have gotten in terms of contextual text generation. What I can do is I can just, for example, if I just quickly go and select a couple of these feedback that seems to be relatable to me, right? So this is all the feedback that are talking about CSV upload error. I know there's a pattern to it, so that's why I'll just quickly go and create an issue. So I'll just quickly go and create an issue over here. So now all the feedback has been attached to this particular issue that I'm going to create a ticket for my engineering team. So rather than writing what is the problem and stuff, Olvy can automatically sort of understand the context of these feedback out in here and quickly go and generate a title and the summary of what are these feedback that are talking about it, so that you don't need to write it from scratch. So I can just quickly go and inform my team. Alright, so this is how easy it is going to be to using contextual based text generation. Alright, this is for this update, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.